Alright, so this is another service call down here that we're doing. It's kind of dangerous. I don't know if it's a dangerous area, man, but quick AC unedited. We're doing unedited. Let's see what kind of. We're gonna start with the unit this time.
Okay.
Oh, let's go. Hopefully something quick, man. In and out.
Yeah, me too.
Alright.
Getting hot.
Oh yeah, trust me, I know. Alright, so let's see. Where's the furnace?
Huh?
1 second, sir. Furnace area.
What happened to your foot?
My foot? My foot's good. Let's see.
There, I do.
Échale.
Thermostat.
Oh, where's the actual furnace? Is it downstairs?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go downstairs. Let's start down there. To the front. What? You need a key for that?
Yeah.
Oh, this guy. Let me call the guy.
Is it open?
Oh, okay. Through the back? Can we go through the back?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. Oh, okay. We'll start downstairs. No problemo. Alright, let's go. Oh. Okay. Échale, amigo. Sí, pero dice que no prende ni el fan, so vamos a empezar aquí abajo. Okay. No, probably this one over here. Okay, so we're here officially. Lennox. Okay. Oh man. Okay, Don. ¿Qué es lo primero?
Pues primero mostrar que hay power.
Okay, he's gonna check that there's power first. What's the easiest way to check if there's power? Don, tú que sabes. What's the easiest way to check if there's power? Yeah, we just got here. This is live.
Pues vamos a ver si tiene la tarjeta prendida.
Okay, chequeale. Hold on. Pues ahí puedes saber.
No, si no hay power ya.
There's no power.
No se ve ni nada luego.
Oh, right away. Okay. First things first, no power. So technically, the fastest way to check if there is power would be that red LED light. ¿Tienes fusibles, Don?
¿Eh?
¿Tienes fusibles? You see these lights right here?
No, lights. Primero hay que sacarle el fusible.
Pues fíjate si el fusible está bien. ¿Qué tanto buscas, Don?
¿El fusible?
No, pero primero chequear si esté bien o no, Don. Si no andas buscando ahí, ni sabes ni qué pedo. Okay. O sabes que usted y nosotros no vamos a ver. We're just gonna watch here. We're gonna watch the guy, see what he does. This is the first guy I'll be testing right there. Oh, let's see what the guy does, guys.
Oh, está pinche fusible. ¿No tiene fusible? Chido. ¿Dónde está su fusible?
Hopefully you guys learned something, man. I don't make these videos for my health. Okay, so el guy va a buscar por 2 horas por un fusible.
Ya, no lo encuentro.
Okay, a ver qué hace.
Ya debe tener fusible, no lo encuentro.
Dice que ya quiere aumento. A ver. Vamos a ver.
No aumento, ni que aumento.
No, ¿por qué estás con tus cosas, Don?
No, pues no se ve el pinche fusible, ¿no está?
Mira, lo primero, Don, chequea que tengas 120 aquí. ¿Con qué chequeas lo más rápido?
Con este.
Oh, ¿no tienes un pollo ahí o algo?
Sí, también.
Oh, pues dale con el pollo, Don. Alright, so this board supposedly, according to him, doesn't have a fuse, okay? But before we even get to the fuse, we gotta check that we even have 120. ¿No tienes un transformer, tú, Don?
No.
Oh, man. No me digas que no tienes un transformer. Hopefully it's not a transformer, man, but let's see where he touches.
Yeah. Vamos a ver. ¿Dónde está este breaker? Aquí. No hay nada, porque esta es la caja. No hay nada, mira. Oh, tiene. Este tiene que verte. Negro.
¿Sí hay?
Sí, ahí. Es este.
Okay, so apparently there is power.
Este, sí, lo.
Pero ese pollo no me gusta, don. ¿Qué pedo? A veces pita, a veces no.
¿Cómo no? Mira. ¿Lo viste?
¿Eso está bien?
Va al switch. Ya el switch aquí ya no prende porque necesitamos apretarlo. Ok. Ya llegó aquí al switch.
Okay,
Sale de aquí.
okay.
Está bien el transformer. A ver en el azul.
Oh, wait, pachúrele para atrás.
Mira. Está bien para el transformer. Esta es la entrada del
Mira,
transformer.
apaga la luz un rato, don. ¿No ves allá lo que anda pasando o qué?
Sí, ya está prendiendo la esta.
Okay. So, ¿sirve el fuse o no sirve el fuse?
Sí, sirve el fuse.
Este es el fusible, si no sabías.
Oh, no, eso no sabía.
Okay.
Sí, sirve el fusible. Ok. Entonces,
¿Qué
de aquí
sigue?
Tienes que tocarle aquí. Y apriétale aquí.
Alright, so let's see what he does next.
Mira.
We're
güey-
just watching.
Este güey tiene que tener corriente porque es el que sale. Alguno de estos dos. ¿Ese no tiene? No. Ese transformer, mira. Ya no sale la corriente de ninguno de los dos, mira, ¿viste? Esta es la entrada. Esta es la entrada, guys, y acá está la salida. Y en la salida no
So
tenemos.
el transformer no
El
sirve.
transformer no pasa a corriente.
So el transformer no sirve, pero hace suficiente poder para prender eso. ¿Es lo que dices?
Pues sí, yo digo que sí, porque debería de pitar aquí también el pollo.
¿Tú crees que ese pollo va a detectar 24 voltajes?
Tal vez sí, déjame ver.
So, si el transformer no serviría, esas luces no prenderían, ¿no?
No, sí, ya lo detectó, mira.
Oh.
Ya lo detectó. Oh, piensas cambiarle a tu pinche pollo. Ahí está. Todo sí trabaja.
No, si ves que las luces ya prenden, ¿para qué gastas tiempo ya?
Ok.
¿Qué sigue?
Tiene el de ese fusible trabaja. Tu transformador tiene. Entonces tiene que salir estos.
Oh, no.
Porque aquí sale
I'll let
corriente.
you guys watch. ¿Y eso qué te va a decir, don? A ver, ¿qué te va a decir
Pues
eso?
que tiene la corriente el board y del de este está saliendo la corriente. ¿O no?
No.
¿O no?
Mira, necesitas que ver el código que te anda dando,
Ok.
¿verdad?
Sí.
Ok, hay que empezar ahí.
Ok. Vamos a ver cuántos flashazos da.
Sí.
1, 2, 3.
No, pues te da uno cada uno, don. That's it.
Este es uno.
Fíjate
nomás.
qué significa eso.
No,
No.
pues, ¿yo qué quieres que haga?
No, pues andas viendo que las LEDs prenden y que no sirve el transformer.
Ok.
No. A ver, busca los flash codes. So normally each furnace has a set of what they call flash codes. Fíjate que no está adelante, normally Jaime está adelante, güey. Flash codes aquí, flash codes. These are the flash codes. You guys can pause it if you need to. Okay, ¿qué dice ahí?
Pues eso sí, no sé. Eso sí es el problema allí. Espérame.
This is la problema here. I'm gonna give you guys a quick reading if you want to pause it real quick. So, ¿qué es lo que hace?
Es un flashazo nomás.
Sí, despacito.
Sí, light should go transforming.
Slow. Okay.
Simulation, slow flash,
¿Qué dice?
Also silent duty cooling and continue fan. Okay, also silent duty cooling and continue fan. ¿Eso qué chingo significa? Eso no sé qué significa.
Mira, quita ese filtro. So let's see what it says here. Make sure to identify LEDs correctly on the control board. Dice que a ver cuál es aquí, chequear el control board. Hay two, hay un green y un red. ¿Tienes un pedazo de alambre para jumpearle aquí? ¿Sí tienes unas pilas para el termostato ahí arriba?
No, no traigo pilas.
¿No tienes pilas?
Ok, voy a hacer el nombre con...
Pachura ese botón.
¿Dónde lo vas a...?
Pues primero el abanico. First thing we're
abanico.
gonna do is jump the fan. Red. Nada más tócalo, ni lo detengas.
Ok.
These are his jumpers right here, let's see. So sirve, right? Ahora que hay que brincar el AC ya. Ahora déjalo que corre un rato ya, ok.
Ya que apague pues.
Yeah. El red y el yellow. Hold it for a second. Let me give it a quick minute, guys. Quick minute. I don't know what the guy's issue was. It wasn't the issue or not, but right now el board tiene power. El board anda sirviendo, ¿verdad? Ahora necesitamos, lo que andas haciendo aquí, necesitamos que hacerlo ahí arriba.
Ya, ya me está.
Yeah.
Ok.
No tienes pilas, ¿verdad?
No.
No, ¿por qué no tienes pilas?
Nunca
Un paquete de pilas.
Ya lo quitamos aquí.
Oh. Pero arriba si son las pilas. Oh, ahí está la gasolinera, además aquí en la esquina. Okay, so everything's okay here? Alright, let it go. Usually, yeah. Hay que poner la puerta para atrás y asegurar que prenda esa light. So I'm not sure what's going on. Obviously it's working. Filter obviously needs to be replaced. Not sure if it overheated. And by overheating it triggered the safety.
Okay.
But let's see.
Vamos a poner la puerta para atrás. Este de aquí primero, ¿no?
Maybe the door wasn't on right. This guy doesn't seem to be putting it on right neither. Let's see if he gets in. Is it pushed in? Oh, there you go. Perfect. Give it a minute. Okay, let's verify. Yep, yep. ¿No estaban prendidas antes?
No.
¿Antes no estaban prendidas?
No, entonces nada más era la puerta.
Préndelo de ahí arriba y que a ver. Oh, same thing. Same thing. Okay. Préndelo cool. Oh man, hopefully it turns on. Hopefully it turns on, guys. But this is technically the kind of stuff we do. Usually each time we try to get $300-400. Do a few of these a day, every day. Yep. Not sure where we're at today, but we're like on 31st Street. Kind of noticed the area was kind of like it's all tagged up. Usually I don't like coming to the south side. Usually if it's the south side, I'll send one of these guys, but they still need more training. That's the thing. They still need more training. More training, guys. Alright, but I want to do an unedited version of this, so he's gonna go switch it on and let's see what happens. Worst case, it might be those batteries. If anything, I'm pretty sure it is those batteries. So I'm about to send this guy to the store real quick. I'm gonna have him take the faceplate off and then jump the yellow and the red. That'll turn this on right away. So I don't think it's turning on right now, so it's not getting the signal from the thermostat. Hopefully it's not the wiring itself, because if it's the wiring itself, that I have some wire. I don't know if I have enough. Usually the thermostat is right above here. So usually it'll be a quick in and out. We kind of have the problem isolated. We just need to finish it off. Filter. No one ever changes these. Let me see. Is the light still on? Lights are still on.
Yeah, pues 63. Lo prendí en aro. 63 le bajé la temperatura.
You staying cool?
Y está cool. Nada más que tiene un flash que dice leave it.
Oh, stop flashing?
Ajá. Yo pienso que va a ser un
Hopefully it's the 5-minute delay.
5-minute delay, yeah.
Hopefully, guys. Hopefully. Alright, so we'll give it 5 minutes. Iba una hoja como de hielo que le decía así.
No, nada más dice leave it. Dice leave, ya no me está flashando.
Okay.
So, me imagino que es el delay.
Yeah, hopefully it's a quick 5-minute delay. 5-minute delay. Yeah, look how they get their electrical here. Oh man. Yeah, some work done. Could be better. This is how you can tell handyman was here. Oh look, yep. Alright, so we're gonna have to give this we're gonna wait 5 minutes here. Usually this is the delay that you gotta expect when you switch something on from when you first turn the thermostat on, you switch it on, it's a 5-minute delay, and if you don't know that,
Ya lo viste, enséñales que ya su filtro está todo, mira.
yeah, so lo dejamos allá afuera ya que él le diga que compre uno o que él compre uno.
Yeah.
This is the most common size if you want to carry a few of them. They're like $3. I'm out. I'm 100% out of them. I don't have any more myself. No water damage. Nothing obvious here. No, not bad. Entonces, ¿qué era el problema?
¿Eh? Entonces era la puerta el problema, porque digamos no estaba prendida la luz. El problema era la puerta, ¿no?
Well, maybe.
Sí, porque no había luz. Y ahorita sí ya hay luz.
So, when we first came, the lights weren't flashing. There's a chance that someone opened this up and didn't close it properly. ¿Verdad?
Yeah.
Yeah, because look, the lights are still flashing. I'm just hoping it turns on, man. I really don't want to go to the store, not in this area. Go get some batteries. For real. Yep. So this is the long 5-minute wait, guys. 5-minute wait. 5-minute wait. Oh, I got more of these videos if you guys like these videos. We got a lot of them. I'll try to post more daily. In the meantime, let's see if we see any violations here. Oh man. Three extensions. It's technically been 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Faltan 2 more minutes and then hopefully it kicks on. Hopefully it kicks on. Hopefully it kicks on, guys. Yeah, but this is the dreaded and then when it does kick on, we gotta go outside and make sure that the outside turns on also. Yep. But usually it's leaking here. It's a small system here. Look at this. Small. Look at this. Look how little this duct is. And then they got an opening here. Alright, we're down to the last minute. One more minute. Y si no prende, ¿qué sigue?
Si no prende, hay que ir a ver afuera si está llegando corriente también en el condensador, ¿no?
Oh, no. Pero ¿cómo vas a chequear eso si no prende?
Vamos dos termostatos primero.
Alright, we're down to the minute.
El termostato, si no tuviera batería, no estuviera dándote los números de no se movieran.
No, aunque tenga pilas, si no es suficiente, no prende. We're down to the last minute. Ya si no prende en un minuto, ya a bigger problem. The lights are still on. Yep, lights are still on. Alright, now we're down literally down to the last minute. This thing has to kick on in literally 1 minute. Si no, que sigue, though.
Pues hay que yonkearlo de allá de todo.
Oh, yep.
Porque dices que como que tenga las baterías, si no es suficiente power, no lo va a hacer que prenda.
Yeah.
Entonces hay que nada más yonkearlo allá.
Yep. Y si lo yompeas y no prende.
Pues su línea de termostato no sirve.
Yep. Okay.
¿O no?
Yep, that's right.
Dice que le metieron un tornillo, lo operaron.
Hopefully they didn't move anything here. Échale luz aquí. Yeah, usually something like that would be for the humidifier.
Pues a lo mejor sí, porque este es el que va a
Yeah, for humidifier. Alright, so here's another situation in case you find yourself in this situation where it's been roughly 5 minutes and it hasn't turned on. It hasn't turned on. Okay. Don, ¿qué sigue?
A limpiar el termostato.
¿Tienes un pedazo de alambre?
Pues el que traíamos.
No, chiquito, eso no lo va a entrar a los tornillos.
Okay.
¿No tienes un pedazo de alambre?
Sí, hoy traigo un chingón.
Alright, so this didn't turn on anymore. A ver.
Vámonos
¿Qué
que el alambre.
¿Crees que esto va a alcanzar? ¿No tienes un pedazo de alambre?
¿Qué? ¿No sirve esto?
¿Tú crees que esto va a entrar al tornillo del termostato?
Yo digo que sí.
Oh, no. ¿Tienes wire strippers? Yeah, I'm gonna make a quick jumper before I even go up there. ¿Tienes wire strippers?
Oh, yeah.
I'll show. If anything, I'll go upstairs too. Échame esos azules. Alright, hold it 1 second. Yeah, we'll make a quick jumper. Okay. Ve arriba y toca el R y el white. O digo el R y el yellow. Oh, vamos, I'll go with you too. Yeah, so it's been long enough. This should have turned on already. Okay. With that, we'll give the guy an update. I told him to call him. Let's see. One update. Yeah. 1 second, sir. Alright. Wait. Let me see. What is leave? I don't know what leave means. Okay. Yeah. A ver, Don. Aquí llega un blue. Échale el jump, no.
El color no importa.
Es el yellow y el
El red.
yeah.
El red y el white, que es el azul.
Yeah. Hold it.
Okay.
Let me check downstairs. Que no se despegue, don Ed. Yeah, I don't know why this thing says leave. It says leave. Yeah, it turned on. Let me check. I don't know what the hell. I ain't never seen that before in my life. Leave. Look. Leave. I'm gonna change the batteries real quick, see if it'll reset. Worst case, we're gonna have to. Oh man, I might have a thermostat in there. Do I have one? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. I think I left it. Oh man. Usually try to carry extra thermostats, guys. Try to carry extra thermostats. Nope, I don't have. So you see how it's turning on, right? Where can I get two? I gotta go get two AAA batteries. Let me see if I can reset this. I'm gonna send the guy to go get two new batteries. Real quick. Don, sí prendió.
Que dice leave.
Ah,
Este güey no sé qué es ese chingadero.
lánzate aquí a la tienda, tráete dos pilas.
¿De qué son?
Triples.
Triple A.
Sí. Y ojalá sea lo que sea, don. Yup, it says leave. It says leave.
What do you think's wrong?
Hopefully, it's just. Hopefully, it's just a thermostat.
The who?
Thermostat.
Is that usually what goes wrong?
It could be one of like 10 things.
I mean, is the thermostat usually one of the first things that goes?
No.
Okay.
Usually it's outside the problem. That's why I wanted to start outside. But when you said nothing turned on, so we had to start inside, you know. But usually the problem's outside. And technically everything's okay because we were able to jump it from here and it turned on, you know.
It
So,
turned on?
yeah, so right now I sent them to go get two batteries. It might be the batteries. Usually when a thermostat fails, that's one of the first thing, low batteries. So he's gonna go get two AAA batteries and hopefully that kicks on and that's it. Worst case, I gotta go get a thermostat and come back, but hopefully that's not the case.
Hope not.
No, I know you guys are hot. I'm hot too, but it's something that hopefully today you guys will be okay. You know.
Too bad you didn't have ceiling fans in there. I mean,
Yep. No. You guys should be okay. Hopefully within the hour, probably even less.
huh?
Within the hour, you guys should be okay. It's nothing complicated. It's just the issue's here somewhere.
I trust you. How long you been doing this?
Since 2000.
Dang.
Yeah, I know. It's easy life, man. Easy life,
You
dude.
go to school for it?
My dad, I dropped out when I was 16. My dad wasn't having that, and every day for years and years and years, every day up 6 a.m.,
You
6
work with
a.m.
your dad?
I used to, yeah, when I started, yeah, my pops.
That's good teaching.
Yeah, so I'm able to diagnose quickly. That's why I came to. Usually I'll send one of the guys, but they don't really have enough experience, and I'm not trying to be here all day. You see what I'm saying? So I just,
I get you.
in and out, and let's get out of here. But you might be okay, because you might be okay. Just give us some time. Give us some time.
I'll be here a year in July. Well, the end of June.
Yep. Your landlord, good guy. Well, so far, good guy. Usually there's a problem. I don't have. You just called him, right?
Well, he got stuff done for me. I mean,
Yep. That's what I like about that guy.
does the basement still stink down there?
No. Well, I didn't really smell any difference, but my nose is all messed up.
Because they had, I don't know, one of the pipes was jammed up and then all kinds of shit in there.
Yep.
Excuse the dog, used to.
No, it doesn't bother me. Main thing is get you running, man. That's like the only thing in my head right now. Usually these things take 5 minutes. 5 minutes to send the signal, so I gotta wait it out 5
What,
minutes.
you gotta reset?
I resetted it. Hopefully it's okay now. We'll see. 5 minutes though.
Okay.
Yeah, it should be okay, and then we should be out of here.
But the heat was working good.
No, after it turns on, I'm gonna go outside and verify that it is cooling. But technically, if it was working, it should work now. You know, but I gotta go verify, and then that's it. We're out of here. And then this is for the landlord.
He's pretty good, huh?
Usually if there's something right away, he'll call us and we'll come fix it. Right away. He catches out right away. You never know issues with this guy. Some guys, big old deal, but not this guy.
Yeah.
Oh, that was fast, man. This guy was fast. This guy doesn't play around.
Okay,
We might as well just change him now. Let's start the clock again. Yeah. It's the most common thermostat issue, man, is these batteries. Oh, man.
Short of batteries on.
Dude, I get so mad sometimes when they call me 2-3 hour drive. You get there's the batteries. You get there's
How
the
far
batteries.
you come from?
I'm from Rogers Park, but we've been doing service calls all day. So right now I'm coming from
Holy
Schaumburg.
shit.
Schaumburg.
Let's see.
Yeah, no. And these
You might
batteries.
use the white
Oh,
side,
look at this. Look at this.
What?
Right here. You see it or you don't see it?
No.
What happened?
Oh, no. It's good or no good?
No good.
Oh, no. Possibly bad pen. So even if it was going to kick on. And did you put the batteries okay or no? We might have to go to Home Depot, man. You put them backwards, man.
That's a long drive, Roger.
Yeah. Oh, so there's a chance. Oh, man. Okay.
Does it look okay?
Yeah, well, I gotta verify. Okay, batteries are good. Cool. Usually when that's flashing, it's not gonna turn on. But it's solid. Let me go check downstairs. Fan, auto. Oh, that's a bad pen. A bad pen. ¿Sí viste que el pen estaba doblado? Yeah. I don't know if you guys caught that, but the pen was bad. I don't even, man, we might have to go to Home Depot and go get a... Yeah, I'm gonna stop this for a little bit. I'm gonna give it 5 minutes, alright? Alright, so this is where we're at, guys. We're like on 43rd Street in Ashland. I'm gonna go to Home Depot real quick and then get that thermostat. And then technically, hopefully everything turns on. And even when everything does turn on, we still have to make sure that it's even blowing cold air. And then that's a whole other animal. But first thing is turn it on and then go outside and inspect the outside and make sure that the compressor's turning on and that the fan is turning on. But I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of how Chicago looks like over here. Usually I don't come down here. Usually I'll send the guys, but they're still training, as you can see. They're still training. ¿Si tienes el little one? Oh.
Ya están.
Okay.
Ya vamos a dejar los dos para allá. Okay.
Sácalo, amigo. Hágalo. Por este. The same holes, same holes.
Yeah, okay. Así queda. Güey.
Échale con la de mano.
Entre primero güey.
El otro.
Sí.
No te habías intentado conectar con la letra C, ¿verdad? ¿O no?
No,
Nomás tenía 4.
nada más tenía 4. El azul era el ¿cómo se llama? El AC.
Hay 5 alambres.
4. Sí, pero el azul estaba de AC.
Oh, wait, son 4 alambres, me mataron hasta 5. Okay. Sí, cuando son 5 alambres tienes que verificarte que no toques el rojo y el common. El menos posible.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind, I thought I saw 5 cables. Ahí está, echa al otro lado.
Sí, pero
No, no tanto, al otro lado. Ahí está. Conecta esos dos para atrás. Si tienes el. Ahí está el. Aflójala ahí, aflójala un poquillo. De cualquiera.
Okay.
Aflójala. Aflójala.
Ya está. ¿Ya entró, no? ¿Ya entró, no?
Tighten it.
A ver, Carol, a ver si
Okay.
se quedó. Ahora sí.
Now use white. Okay. Ahí está, tighten it.
Espérame, déjalo flojo primero.
Ya, apriétalo, ya está luz,
Ya
ya
está
está
luz.
luz. Yeah.
Ok.
Okay.
Ok. Ahora el yellow, el green.
El
Sí.
yellow.
No,
Este,
este
güey.
es el green.
Sigue la.
El yellow es
la-
aquí.
la-
Espérame, deja esa.
Ya está flojo, ya está flojo. No, estíralo ahí, estíralo, güey. Está grabando. That's it. Your last one in green.
Green.
Oh, Dookie, go quiet there.
Ahí está.
Ahí está.
So let's,
Se me hace que el rojo le falta más, ¿no?
ahí está.
O así lo dejamos.
So let's make sure. Ahí está, hold on. So we got, what do we got here? Red, not used, white, yellow, green. Okay, pilas, échale las pilas aquí. On the old one, son las pilas en el old one.
Oh, está.
Oh, échale el old one. Pero pónselas bien, ¿no? No tomes los bites chuecas también, ¿no?
Sí.
Si ves que
Mira.
dice para allá,
Así.
you see the
The
thing?
path, yeah.
Yeah. Pónselas y pon esa chingadera, ¿no? Apenas son 5 minutos que vamos a estar aquí. Okay.
You must have talked to my son earlier.
Yep, I'm the one that called. Okay.
How does she look so far?
Either way, we still gotta wait 5 minutes and hopefully this turns on. We go check outside. Hopefully everything's okay and we're out of here. Alright, so this one instantly turned on. There wasn't even a 5-minute delay or anything like that. We're gonna go outside and make sure that. Okay, let's go outside. Ya Ya prendió. Let's go outside. Yeah.
Entonces aquí.
Oh, okay, parking. Yeah. Oh yeah. So technically, I don't connect gauges unless I have to. Because once you start connecting gauges, you start opening up Pandora's box. So this is the first floor. It could use a little maintenance, but other than that, I mean, it's okay. Let's check the temperature. Yeah, vámonos. Yeah, let's get out of here. This is not cold, just so you guys know, and there's no ground here. Who knows what this is? Probably for the garage. I don't know. So let's get in there and get out of here. Something like this, just so you guys know, something like this easily with parts, labor, everything, probably like $375, $375. Oh yeah, it feels good. Yeah. I tell just to make sure. Usually you look for the. This is in my bag of. I'm gonna make my part 3 of that service bag. That's it. That's all I want to see. Let's get out of here. Alright guys, so technically this is it. I'm gonna have to tell the landlord to come fix that because I forgot to grab it. But we gotta get out of here. I gotta get to another service call, guys. Anyways, this is from beginning to end. At the end of the day, it was a bad thermostat. And supposedly these lights didn't come on, so I'm not sure. Bad thermostat plus a loose wire, I don't know. But at the end of the day, everything's working and we're out of here. Thanks for watching.